Assalamualaikum. Hello friends, welcome back to my another video. In this video, code Excel cells to change the color. Select blue color code, double click here, then draw Ctrl C for copy and go to border options, select line color, more colors, customs, then select Ctrl V and paste. Okay, then drawing or double click, select border or border, then yellow color code, then control select the code, then control C for copy, select cells, go to border, go to color palette, more colors, customs, hex code, control V. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Thank you.